there, my name is Becky, aka the Mocha Foodie Gardener and Rise Garden's ambassador. Like many of you, I simply adore my 2-level family Rise Garden because of the versatility and its ability to grow so much. But for those of you who want to start off a little smaller or just don't have the space for the larger unit, the Personal Rise Garden is my favorite option to go to. The cool thing with the Personal Rise Garden is that it's not just limited to herbs. I have successfully grown red pak choi and tot soy for one of my favorite dishes, and that's hot pot. And when you think of hot pot, it's more of a communal dining experience rather than a dish that you cook. Everyone joins in together to cook an assortment of items and seasoned broth over a simple burner or hot plate. I like this one with the divider for those who like to have a spicy option or to separate ingredients however you like. Commonly used ingredients are thinly sliced meats, noodles, and most importantly, fresh veggies. You can use green leafy veggies that are easily grown in the garden, like king cabbage, napa cabbage. Red pak choi is classified as a type of Chinese cabbage and has an absolutely gorgeous deep violet color. It's perfect for sautéing, great in stir fries, and in my case, boiling in a hot pot. Pak choi is rich in vitamin A, C, and K. As for tot soy, also rich in vitamins C and A, it's a great source for iron and calcium. Toss it in your favorite salad, fry it up in an omelet for a quick, healthy breakfast, and you're all set. Using fresh veggies from your garden is not only a fun way to add to your hot pot experience, but kids love it too, allowing us parents to engage our sneaky chef skills and get our little ones to eat their veggies. It's a win-win situation for everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.